Let me ask you something. Have you ever opened your banking app with confidence and closed it 10 seconds later with regret? You got paid. You felt ahead. For a moment, life felt under control, and then somehow, it wasn't. The money didn't disappear in one dramatic purchase. It leaked out, quietly, daily, invisibly, and that's the real problem. Most people don't fail at budgeting because they're bad with math. They fail because they never build a system. They build hopes. A budget isn't restriction, it's direction. It's the difference between reacting to your money and commanding it. Because when you don't give your money instructions, it follows impulses, and impulses are expensive. So before we talk about saving or investing, we need clarity. Step one isn't cutting spending, it's understanding reality. Forget your salary on paper. That number is irrelevant. What matters is the exact amount that actually lands in your account. After taxes, after deductions, after everything. That's your real power number. If your income fluctuates, don't panic. Look at the last few months, average it out. Work from facts, not assumptions. Now comes the uncomfortable part. You need to track your spending, all of it. Not just rent and groceries, coffee, the subscriptions, the small Amazon order, the random food delivery. Because the truth is, financial stress rarely comes from one big mistake. It comes from dozens of invisible ones. Data removes denial. Once you see where your money's flowing, you organize it into three categories. Needs, wants, future. Needs are survival, rent, utilities, food, insurance. Wants are lifestyle, dining out, streaming, shopping, trips. Future is protection and growth, savings, investing, debt reduction, and this is where honesty matters. That daily lunch, probably not a need. 7 streaming services, definitely not survival. This isn't about guilt, it's about alignment. When you separate essentials from extras, you gain leverage. Now you choose your structure. If you want simplicity, use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to building your future. It's balanced, clear, beginner-friendly. If you want precision, use zero-based budgeting. Every dollar gets assigned a role. Income minus expenses equals zero, because every dollar has a job. Nothing drifts, nothing disappears. If you struggle with overspending emotionally, try the envelope system. When the cash is gone, it's gone. No swiping your way into next month's problems. And if you want to guarantee growth, pay yourself first. Savings moves automatically, before rent, before spending. You build your future first, then live on the rest. But no matter the method, there is one non-negotiable. An emergency fund, not for vacations, not for fun, for when life punches unexpected. Car repairs, medical bills, job loss, start small. $25 per paycheck. It won't change your lifestyle, but over time, it changes your stability. And stability reduces stress. That's the hidden benefit of budgeting. It's not about numbers, it's about sleeping peacefully. You won't get it perfect the first time. You'll overspend some. That's not failure, that's feedback. Adjust, refine, continue. A budget that feels like punishment will never last. A budget that feels like strategy will. The goal isn't control for the sake of control. It's freedom. Freedom from anxiety. Freedom from guessing. Freedom from living paycheck to paycheck. So here's your move. Know your real income. Track your real spending. Choose your method. Start imperfectly. Because the best financial decision is the one you actually stick with. And the best time to take control is not next month, it's now. Follow for more financial truths.